Good day viewers. So I'll be teaching you how to be able to receive money here in Nigeria through PayPal account. So with this PayPal account, I'll be giving you a link below my video. You can check the link after watching this video. Then you create your own PayPal account and you'll be able to receive money. You don't need VPN to use this PayPal account. So it will be a link, a Lesotho link, where you create your PayPal account as if you are creating the normal PayPal account through the Lesotho link. So this is an account that I've already created, so I can connect my debit card or credit card to it. I can withdraw my funds, though it's US dollars that I choose as the currency. I can do different things on it depending on what I can transfer funds, send or request payment preference, anything I want. So depending on what I want. This is an account that I've already created. So once you click the link, this is where it takes you to the Lesotho link, and you go here. But I'll sign up now so that I'll be able to show you how you go. Personal account or business account. I can select personal account. So this Lesotho, you can change it from Lesotho to Nigeria. Does not matter. You can type your name. Let me put it this way. Since it's not a real account, it's just for testing. Then email address. Password. I guess. So after filling up this form, after filling up this form, so you go through the normal process. I already have my email filled. That's why, so I don't have any spare email. But simply fill the form, go through the normal process, and you will be free to create your own business account. So, and if you have any problem, you can contact me. I'm available. I'll drop my phone number. So thank you very much.